Have you ever wanted to play a very fun game, a Gorilla Tag fan game, that is just completely goofy? Play Monkey's Realm, because, hold on. This game has so much fun things to do, like pick up soap and then wash yourself. Like you can take a shower. Like you can, rub yourself in dookie. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Hold on, let me unmute everyone. I low-key kind of muted everyone.
You're wearing
Okay.
it? How do I grab on? I'm gonna go into the supporter club. This song's
Okay, sorry for the
Go
long.
into the supporter club.
Start.
You should have.
Okay, so you have a lot of cool things you can do. Like obviously ride the elevator, or not obviously.
Watch my camera.
You can go to an arcade.
PvP.
Yeah.
PvP.
So I hear you can just buy stuff with your credit card. You can get coins and stuff.
PvP.
I only have 1 credit. I don't know how to do this, but yeah. Yeah, you can obviously buy stuff. And then over here you can ice skate. You can ice skate and crap. Very fun. Just ignore them. These children.
Get me some banana.
Over here
Why
you
is my
can
camera tilted?
just find some cool stuff. That's how much stuff I have. You can unlock new stuff. You can swim. Yeah, look at that swimming physics. Awesome swimming physics. Yeah, there's also some game modes you can do. There's also some powers you can buy in the store. I'll show you the shop in a second. So, over here, you have the computer. You can equip some stuff. And then there's some game modes up here. Yeah, right there. And then over here, you can have some different levels. So, oh yeah, at the shop. Yeah, this is power skins. Yeah, there's a bunch of powers and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye, guys.